You ready? All right, boys, so we're going to Houston right now. Look at this beauty. You can literally achieve anything you fucking want. All right, we're gonna get a cold start for y'all, even though it is pretty hot in here. All right, let's go. Whew. I feel so bad for my neighbors. We have a long drive ahead of us. It's gonna be about an hour drive up south, so down south. This car does not like to be reversed at all. All right, boys, well, welcome to a new YouTube video. There's a squirrel right there. Welcome to a new YouTube video. This one's gonna be a little bit different. This is my first ever POV drive with the SVJ. I made a POV drive with my C63. Haven't with this one, so we hit TP today on NASDAQ. It was a 1 to 3 risk to reward fucking fat trade. Made 2K on 10 accounts, so it's a $20,000 day. And I'm fucking hyped. I'm ready to just drive around and enjoy the rest of my day. It's about warmed up by now. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, and then if you click this, it goes manual, right? By the way, this car has a full Gintani system. Sounds fucking insane. Oh my gosh. I know you guys are thinking, what the fuck am I watching? I'm watching a 19-year-old drive almost $1 million car. No way, it gotta be leased, it gotta be daddy's money. It just can't be real. I'm not here to try and convince you guys that this is mine, because at the end of the day, I know what's true and what's not. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Pops on this sound insane, but I'm simply here to motivate you guys and show you this is just an average day in my life, that this shit is fucking possible. Everything, whatever it is, it's yours. And I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this are watching this because you want to end up in this position, right? You want to end up driving a almost $1 million car and have that lifestyle. And listen to what I'm about to tell you. God gave you those visions, God gave you those desires, God gave you everything you think of for a reason, and that's because that version of yourself that is driving the supercars, going on trips, fucking bitches, that person already exists. You just have to go out of your way and go get it, and you're gonna have people around you. You're gonna have your parents, your dad, maybe your mom, maybe the people that you go to school with. They're gonna tell you that that's unrealistic, or you shouldn't want that, and you should just stay at 9 to 5 and work for the rest of your life, or go to college. But I'm telling you, please go all out with whatever the fuck you wanna do. I knew that I wanted to day trade, so please go out of your way and go fucking do that shit, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a GT3 RS. Traffic is so ass. It's so bad. fucking bitch. Welcome to Houston. Look at this shit. Downshift. So like a lot of people go into trading with that mindset of I want to trade to make money, not realizing that like the money is a result of trading, right? So when you go in with that intention of I want to make money, most of you guys are gonna blow funded accounts and lose thousands and thousands of dollars and honestly just waste your time. So like if you think trading is like a get rich quick scheme, I suggest you find a new business model, because trading is not a get rich quick scheme at all. Bro, listen to the downshift. Oh my gosh. The whole city can hear me right now. And also, a lot of people think that trading is just the like analytical side where you're learning strategy and SMTs and all that shit. But the truth is, that is 10% of trading. 90% of trading is all psychology. It's a war with yourself when you actually want to become profitable. It takes a long ass time just because of that psychology part. It's extremely hard to master. When you first get into it, you think the more you do it, the more trades you take, the more money you're gonna make, because that's how every other business model is. Or even working out, like you think the more you do it, the more successful you're gonna be, but the most successful traders barely take any trades at all. So you make money in trading by not doing it at all, and it's insane to like say, but it's the truth. Yo, there's like ambulances and shit.
Hey, how you doing?